Hello, welcome to Pins and Patience. My name is Jeremy. I'm continuing on with my Star Trek The Wrath of Khan Monster Maroon Duty Uniform build. Currently working on the first part, what I am working on as the first part, is the Duty Uniform Pant. With my previous videos, I've explained some basics that I was working on and some best practices. Going through the pants, as I said, there's always going to be two good sides, and we always want to have those good sides pressed together whenever we're going to pin or whenever we're going to move. In this case, as you can see here, this is very shiny. I added a liner to the pant, so this is the part of the pant that's going to go against your legs. Going here, we've got a rougher fabric. This is our outer fabric, and this is what we call good sides together because this is what's going to be facing the outside of the world. In the earlier video, I said it's extremely important to mark your seams with a 5/8 of an inch seam allowance. For those of you who are Canadian, like myself, that's a 1.5 centimeter seam allowance. So these white marks here, which hopefully you can see within the video, those are 1.5 centimeters, and I've measured them equally right from the very edge of the fabric. And I've gone along, going through as equal distance as I possibly can, pinning this outside seam together. As to the title of my vlog, this is definitely pins and patience. The more pins that you use and a little extra patience, and you can create some amazing things. So those are some of the best practices. Again, taking the time to mark a 1/2 centimeter or 5/8 inch seam allowance, making sure that you're using enough pins, that your fabric is stable, and always, 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 always ensure that you have right sides together.